How could we extend helping hands for humanity? God has given us two hands, one for helping yourself and another for helping others. The purpose of human life is not to achieve so-called happiness with one hand. True happiness comes only when we extend our helping hands for humanity. Those who are happiest are those who do the most for others. Small acts of helping others are the biggest thing in human achievement. When we reach out to those in dire need, we will achieve greatness. Service to humanity is considered service to God. No person in this world has ever become poor by sacrificing for others. No one has ever become worthless by minimizing the burdens of another. The wound of mind can only be healed by kindness and compassion. Those who make life beautiful for others are the only blessed persons. We should do charity with great love and affection to the poor, helpless, and underprivileged. Love and respect is the most important virtue of human personality. It is like an investment. Whenever we give love and respect to others, it will return to us with profit. Generosity is expressed as an act of love, which is the heart of humanity. Humanity is greater than wealth, character is greater than beauty, and sacrifice is greater than love. So, those who sacrifice their lives for mankind are the messengers of God. Most of the bad things start from mind, but all beautiful things start from our heart. So, we should never let the mind rule our heart. Instead, let the heart rule our mind. Caring to others is a gift that we cannot buy. We all know health does not come from medicine. Most of the time, it comes from the peace of mind, heart, and soul. Likewise, happiness in human life does not come from wealth. It comes from sacrificing by extending helping hands for humanity. We must not run away from danger. We should run towards danger to see if someone needs help. If we can become mad for doing good to others, there will have no suffering and misery in the world. Taking care of your own family is good. Taking care of your neighbors, friends, relatives is better. But taking care of unknown families is the best. If we are not able to become a big banyan tree, at least we can be like a small jackfruit tree under the shade of which a few people can take rest. Likewise, if we cannot help many people, no matter, at least we can try to help a few people, as we all have the ability to make this world a better place. Caring for others is the best way to fulfill our interests. Helping others is the best effort to raise human dignity. Little things done with love and dignity are much better than big things without love and respect. If we help poor people achieve their dreams, we become rich by helping the poor. A life dedicated to serving others is the life we should all aspire to live. People who help others on a regular basis are 10 times more likely to be healthy than people who do not. We should not pray for help. Instead, we should pray to God for the ability to help others. Our act of kindness blossoms our lives with gladness. Good deeds awaken the good spirit of our soul. When we open our doors to others, automatically others will keep their doors open for us. A giving heart is surely one of the most precious things on human civilization. The happiest people are not those who are getting more, but those who are giving more. The happiest people are those who lose themselves in the sacrifice of others, which is why we should help for those who cannot help themselves. We should speak up for those who cannot speak for themselves. A service to others is the rent we pay for our home here on earth. The best exercise in social life is bending down to lift someone else up. Those who have much, give to your wealth. Those who have little, give to your heart. If you plant flowers in others' gardens, your life will become a bouquet. Thousands of candles can be lighted from a single candle, and the life of the candle will not be shortened. Happiness never decreases by being shared. So, we should set our mission to help people by charity with extending our helping hands for humanity. Our life is like a notebook. 2 pages are already written by God. First page of our life is birth, and last page is death. Center pages are empty. We should take oath to fill those pages with smile, love, and charity. www.brainmindiaclinic.com